Well, another late start. I wish we could start getting some early ones. Pretty good frost this morning, but what held us up was the white truck over there. I got to noticing the sound yesterday, a rattling sound when it was running, and Dad thought it was early, and it got quite worse. So we come in with that truck full last night, and while we were unloading, I raised the hood, and first thought it was the alternator, but what had actually happened was the pulley on the alternator, it had come loose and it wore the hole out. So we went ahead and got a new alternator. Couldn't find a 2-belt pulley, so we're using a single belt on it for right now until we can find something. Spent a lot of time working on that. Went 2 or 3 places. So anywho, we don't like much on this field. I said yesterday I was going to finish it, but not much, and we're going to get moved up the road. Well, we got moved over here. 2 people, it takes a while to get everything moved. Wonder what was going through that bug's mind when it hit the windshield. This is a little 24-acre field. It's about 15 to 5. We're gonna try to knock it out tonight. I got big plans tomorrow. Got a funeral visitation at 10 o'clock. We both got to go to it, and then got to quit a little early. My son's got a birthday party, so we'll just have to see what we can get done tomorrow, but it's going to start with getting done with this field today. Had some mare's tail on the first 90 feet out here. Evidently the sprayer wasn't spraying good, but the rest of the field, rest of the beans, looks pretty clean. Got a truck to unload. There's a shot with the local water tower in it. The sun is starting to go down. I don't know if that's going to fill that truck or not, but I'll take it in and unload it here in a minute if it's full. Leoma, you tell me. It's soon going to be too dark to film, so we're going to keep on chugging until we get that field done, and we'll bring you back tomorrow. We did get that field done last night. and of course got the header off. Headed, this is our furthest north field, headed to our further south field, and it's going to take us a few minutes to get down there. It's not really that far, but it's be on a narrow road. This is the road right here I always dread. Hay on that side, some alfalfa freshly cut on that side. Well, we got moved again. 48 acres here. And earliest start we've got yet, I believe. And that's even after moving. That means I'm full. And the truck just got here just in time. I'm about to call another guy. That's our truck, but call another guy that's done with beans, bring his truck out here. That way we can get some to the market. Got bills to pay. Got a planter showing up next week. Well, it's showing up in Alabama, I'll put it that way. I don't know when I'll get it. Well, I had to leave for about an hour and a half to eat lunch and go to a funeral. Dad took over cutting. Didn't get back to the field good till he stopped, and we got a problem. Cutter bar is broke right there. We put a bolt in it to get it out, but we got to find a piece of bar Monday so we can finish it. I wanted to try to weld it to keep going, but we didn't think, Dad didn't think it would hold. So we're done for the day. We are back going. Had to take a 3-hour trip to get a cutter bar, and we get back here after lunch. First thing I do, 5 stitches. The old cutter bar. Really didn't think the cut was all that bad, but I was more worried about tetanus, and I went to get a tetanus shot and they stuck me 5 or maybe 6 stitches. My hand's sore. Well, we are supposed to get 2 to 3 inches of rain tomorrow, which is will be well appreciated because we're dry. Not the storm that's coming with it. It's supposed to be pretty rough, and we'll dry up pretty quick, but may take some of this wet time to work on some wheat. Well, Saturday I brought another truck in, another farmer that's got done. I'm needing to sell some, but the Mississippi River, it has closed down due to being low, and this is Monday, so Tennessee River is supposed to close today, and AFC in Florence is going to quit taking probably about Wednesday or Thursday. So if I can get this load, maybe another one off, I'll be okay. I'll put the rest of them in bin, but I've got a new planter coming this week, and I'm wanting to put some down on it. I don't know if it's going to be at my shop this week, but it's going to be at the dealership. This is one of the best yielding farms we have, or it has been in the past. I'm not happy how these beans are turning out. But one thing about it, up in this area and over there, usually ate up by deer, usually a couple acres. It's not as bad this year. Sun's going down, it's making it hard to see, so I skipped up on the other side of the field. Mama said don't look into the sun, but Mama, that's where the fun is. Little Manford man there for you. Well, it's starting to get dark, and they're calling for rain earlier in the morning than what I thought. So I don't really know how much later we're going to work here. I got a little patch down here at the bottom of the hill I'm going to go ahead and knock out because it's a wet one when it is wet. So I think I'm going to go ahead and call this a video because I need to be paying attention to what I'm doing, especially here at night. And it may be a little short video, shorter than normal. So thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Leave me a comment and we'll catch you on the next one. And who knows, we may be combining beans, may be planting wheat. Who knows?